This is how you can use AI video movement in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Step 1 is to click and select your video clip. I want to add the AI completely for free. Down and scroll to the right, see camera tracking next to volume and retouch. First option, AI movement. Trust me, this is going to be so cool. The before and after is going to absolutely blow your mind. 4 different options right here. In case, we're going to click the first option. We'll apply the AI movement. And basically, once you're happy and satisfied, this will load on Capcut Mobile completely for free. And click the checkmark icon. I say this is the after. This is the before. Notice the difference? That looks really cool. You can even mess around with the different options and settings if you like. And basically this is a free feature, but it says Pro here on Capcut Mobile. Export this is Pro, but this is how you can use AI video movement in Capcut Mobile completely for free.